Yes, is it possible to fly two drones at the same time? Yes, with the Mavic Air and also the Spark with the flight mode, it can actually does it. So I don't even have to be honest with you. All I'm doing over here is just, you know, controlling it and not even doing anything to the transmitter. It's just basically on the flight modes, and I don't even have to just tap and fly basically. And you can see here the Mavic Air is just do itself, you know. So it's really cool option that we all have this. So I think for 2018, yes, it does make a big difference. They're actually getting smaller and more capability of flight modes. So yeah, so it's possible to do it, guys. So thank you for watching. For my recommendation for flying two drones at the same time, I don't know. But I guess you can try it out yourself. But yes, but it's fun. So anyway, thank you for tuning into my channel and subscribing. I appreciate it. Thank you.